Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacey. Today we are going to be making a super tasty dish. We are making an asopao. An asopao is like a rice soup. This time I'm going to do it with chicken. But it's a dish that you can make with chicken, with vegetables. You can actually use pork or beef. Normally the original is with chicken. Let me show you what we have. We have about 6 pounds of chicken. I know it sounds like a lot because it's a whole chicken plus a few more pieces from another chicken. This chicken is fresh. It's from Orlando, one of the farms, and I love it. We love to go there and get them fresh. We have about 6 pounds. We have 1.5 pounds of rice. For this amount of chicken, and depending on the cooking pot that you're going to be using, the cooking pan, you have to be careful because the rice tends to spread and grow and multiplies, I would say, in size. So just use by judgment, okay? If it is 2 pounds of meat, use about 1/2 pound of rice. Again, depending on the size and how much you're looking for to make. We're also going to be using, to marinate this chicken, we're going to be using 2 ounces of orange bitter, 7 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of paprika, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Let's go ahead and spread everything. 2 tablespoons of oregano, 2.5 tablespoons of adobo. We also want to put a little extra black pepper. I also have here this beautiful marinade that is called sofrito. It's Spanish, but it's a blend of different herbs and vegetables. So it has green pepper, it has onion, culantro, cilantro, all those good stuff that will bring and boost up the flavor of the soup. So let's go ahead and put a couple spoons of it. That is just going to enhance the flavor. This is all we're putting in to marinate the meat. So what we're going to do now is just move it around. My hands are clean. I'm going to go ahead and go in and love this chicken. Guys, look at that. The color is beautiful with the paprika, and the sofrito is beautiful. And it smells awesome. So let's go ahead and cover this dish. We're going to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. So that the flavor of those herbs get into the meat. We have 3 medium-sized potatoes that we're going to be cutting in small little cubes. My husband likes potato, so it's optional. Normally we don't put potato on this asopao, but this time I will because my husband likes it like that. We have 3 medium-sized carrots. We have a regular-sized plum tomato. We also have 1/4 of a large onion. We have celery, we have cilantro, we have green onion, and we have culantro. This is all from the garden. And we have a cup of corn. I'm going to show you guys what I have also from the garden that I didn't have to go to the store. I have this squash from the garden, and it's beautiful. The color is beautiful. That's going to give color and taste to the dish. It's like a little sweet to it, so it's going to boost up that sweetness to the dish. This is the squash. Look how beautiful it looks. It looks perfect. The color is nice. So this was outside. Isn't that nice? I love to do my own gardening and do my own herbs and vegetables. So as I tell you before, 1.5 pounds of rice. So guys, let's go ahead and put this dish together. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The cooking pan is nice and hot. We're also going to be putting about a tablespoon of sugar. The purpose of the sugar is to brown this meat. Let's go ahead and put the chicken. Let's go ahead and cover it for 10 minutes. While the meat is cooking, we're going to cut the vegetables. So let's start with the potato. Just cut it in nice cubes, not too small, so they won't break. The idea of the vegetable is to enjoy them nice and crunchy. So about this size. We can cut the carrots at an angle. Again, not too small, so that you can appreciate and enjoy the pieces of the carrots. We have the squash. The squash I show you from outside. We can either use the vegetable peeler or we can do the knife. Whatever is easier for you guys. It's time to move the meat around. Oh wow, look at the color. Guys, this is just awesome. Look how beautiful. The color is perfect. That's what we were looking for. That is absolutely beautiful. That's the idea and the purpose of the sugar. To help you get that extra hint of color so you don't have to put too much into it. Now we're going to go ahead and cover it back. Let it cook for about 10 more minutes. Let's go ahead and cut the squash in small pieces. I don't tend to cut the vegetable too much because we're going to be taking them out once the flavor of each of them gets into the meat. We also have, remember, a cup of corn, which is going to be normally put into the dish at the end. Okay guys, it's time to go ahead and put the herbs into the dish. We just put it in, all of it. The tomato as well. We're going to go ahead and cover it and let the steam cook the herbs and the vegetable, and then we move it around, leave it in for about 10 minutes to get the flavor and proceed. So right now I'm going to go ahead and put the squash. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Let's cover it. Wow guys, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful color, beautiful consistency. This is what we're looking for. I recommend you guys to, when you put the water, to make sure it's warm water. Okay, you can either boil it or you can just get it from the faucet nice and warm, but try to make sure it's warm. You don't want to change the temperature on your cooking pan. It's time to get some of the squash and vegetable and put it in the blender. We're going to be blending this to bring color and flavor to the dish. Guys, it's up to you how much squash you want to put in and blend. For color, you can leave some of the pieces if you like to enjoy the pieces of squash. Let's put the carrots. Let's cover it a couple minutes. 3 minutes later, after we put the carrots, we're going to put the potato. And the rice. Let's move it. Let's leave that there for about 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and move it. A couple minutes later, we don't want the rice to stick to the pan, so we have to make sure we break that. Yeah, there you go. We separate it from them. Well guys, this is awesome. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. Let me take this herb from here. Remember, we're gonna get rid of those. We still finding a few. Now remember that I grabbed some herbs and the squash. Just blend it. Look how beautiful the color. That's going in. And that's going to enhance the color on this dish. And the flavor, because now we have all those herbs and vegetables blended there and it's going straight on the dish. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. It's looking good. At this point, we're going to go ahead and pour the corn Okay guys, this is it. We're gonna go ahead and put about 3 chicken cube in powder. We're just gonna spread it. This is the final touch for flavor. That's gonna give that nice soupy taste to it, and we are going to put a lime, the juice of a whole lime, okay? There we go. And the other half. We need some citrus there. The orange bitter is awesome. It's good for the beginning of the meat when it's marinating. But it's lighter than the lime juice, so this is going to enhance the flavor. Hey guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dish. Chicken asopao. Look how beautiful it looks. Oof, let's go ahead and try it. Wow, just the way I like it. This is a chicken rice soup called asopao, and I recommend you guys to try it with all those flavors to make it a little Caribbean, and I tell you, it's delicious. So thank you for being here with me, guys. Thank you for your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos, and I definitely hope you try this beautiful dish. I will see you guys on the next video. God bless. Let's eat.